Will muted contacts see my online status?
Hey everyone! In today's quick tutorial, we'll tackle a question many of us wonder about. Will muted contacts still be able to see my online status? Let's dive in and find the answer.
What does it mean to mute a contact?
When you mute a contact, it simply means that you won't receive any notifications or alerts when they send you messages. It's a handy feature when you want some peace and quiet but without completely blocking someone. However, muting a contact does not mean that they're blocked or restricted in any other way.
Can muted contacts see my online status?
To address the burning question, yes, muted contacts can still see your online status. Muting only affects the notifications on your end. It doesn't impact what the muted contacts can see or not see regarding your profile. If they could see your online status before you muted them, they would continue to do so after muting.
How do I keep contacts from seeing my online status?
If you don't want certain contacts or anyone to see your online status, you'll need to delve into your app's privacy settings. Most messaging apps allow you to control who sees your online status, last seen, profile photo, etc. Adjust these settings to fit your privacy needs. But remember, just muting won't do the trick. So, to wrap things up, muting someone only stops notifications on your end. It doesn't hide your online status from them. If privacy is your concern, consider adjusting your visibility settings within the app. Hope this clears things up. Stay safe online, and see you in the next tutorial.